Okay everyone, today I'm gonna show you the short demo to how to assemble with the APC field assembly optical connector. Okay, before we start it, and here's all the tools we're gonna using. This is for the cable stripper and alcohol. For this is for cleaver. This is a cable holder and the stripper. Okay, using the wipes for cleaning the bare fiber. Okay. And now we have the this kind of the drop cable, flat drop cable. Okay, we can using here. And first of all, we're gonna take down this cable holder here. Okay, and make it 50 millimeters. Okay, all right. Just take it down. All right, here. And the second, and we're gonna take this cable crab, which is the red one. Okay, just cover it up here. Okay, and now using the cable holder right here, I take the green one. This is a bare fiber stripper. Okay, push down here and slice it. Alright, and next we're gonna using the wipes here and using the head alcohol. Can take it a few times and clean the bare fiber and make sure it's 100% clean. Okay, now I'm using the bare fiber cleaver. Make it flat here, just cover it up. Alright, and take it down the fiber. And here's the connector. Okay, just put it down right here. You hear click and cover it up and lock the fiber. So here's a completely for the fast connector, whole assembly like that. It's nice and easy. Okay, thank you for watching.